Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrian, ang iyong batang Indiana. Ngayon, papasukin natin ang Dick's Sporting Goods. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Alam niyo ba kung saan pumupunta ang mga athletes at sports lovers kapag kailangan ng quality sports gear? That's right, Dick's Sporting Goods. Ang Dick's Sporting Goods ay one of the largest sporting goods retailers sa US na nag-o-offer ng everything you need, from sports apparel, shoes, equipment, hanggang fitness gear. Whether you're into basketball, football, running, golf, camping, or even home workouts, meron sila para sa'yo. Ang maganda pa, trusted brands, good quality, at options for beginners hanggang professionals. Kaya kahit weekend warrior ka lang or serious athlete, swak na swak dito. So if you're looking to level up your game or just stay active, Dick's Sporting Goods has got you covered. Available din dito ang gym equipment like dumbbells, barbells, treadmills, resistance bands, at kahit anong home workout essentials. Mahilig ka ba magbike? May bikes din sila. From mountain bikes, road bikes, hanggang kids bikes, plus helmets and accessories. Now let's move on sa mga basketball shoes. Sa Dick's Sporting Goods, sobrang daming choices pagdating sa basketball shoes. Pang courtman, pang training, o pang araw-araw na suot. Makikita nyo dito ang mga top brands like Nike, Jordan, Adidas, Under Armour at marami pang iba. May option for guards na kailangan ng speed at grip, pati rin for big men na kailangan ng support at stability. Importante ang comfort, traction at ankle support, and andito lahat yan sa Dick's. Kaya whether naglalaro ka sa liga, pick-up games, or pang streetball lang, may sapatos na swak sa play at style mo. Kung mahilig ka sa adventure at nature trips, meron din sila. Of course, hindi rin pwedeng makalimutan ang fan sports apparel. Since technically nasa Indiana kami, pero part ng Chicago area, karamihan ng fan gear dito ay for Chicago teams. Pero meron din options for Indiana teams. Dick's Sporting Goods has got you covered pagdating also sa mga water bottles at coolers. Siyempre, hindi kumpleto ang basketball setup without the right basketballs and court gears. Sunod sa basketball ay mga soccer lovers naman. Dito mo makikita ang mga soccer balls at cleats. Of course, hindi rin pwedeng makalimutan ang American football, ang number 1 sports sa Amerika. Dito mo makikita ang mga footballs at helmets kasama ang mga shoulder pads at gloves. Kasunod niyan para sa mga ice hockey fans and players. Kasama din dyan ang mga gears for fencing at syempre ang baseball, ang America's favorite pastime. Sa Dick's Sporting Goods, makikita mo lahat ng kailangan mo para sa baseball. Hindi rin pwedeng makalimutan ang sports and lifestyle apparel. And that's a wrap guys, mula sa gym equipment, bikes, basketball shoes, sport gears, outdoor adventure essentials, fan apparel, water bottles and coolers, hanggang sa basketballs, soccer, football, ice hockey, baseball, Dick's Sporting Goods has everything you need para sa active lifestyle mo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and click that notification bell para updated ka sa latest happening ni Batang Indiana. Maraming salamat guys. Bye-bye!